mapansin ng publiko.
Yun ang tinutukoy mo, Mr. Chair. Nabanggit mo kanina na yung profanities, yung insult, yung malicious accusation, kung yan ay sinabi sa kanyang, ang tawag doon, functions bilang public official, okay yun. Nasabi mo, di ba? But not on a personal basis, correct? Yan.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sabihin natin, naniniwala ako dyan. Pero, hindi naman niya sinabi yan sa akin on my public functions, official functions. It is a personal accusations on me. Mr. Elijah.
Mr. Chair, can I be? I cannot speak on behalf of Ms. Joey, Mr. Chair.
Naano ko lang yung sinabi mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, now I'd like to ask Ms. Joey, Ms. Cruz, are you insulting me on my public official functions or it is a personal accusation on me?
It's not a personal accusation, Mr. Chair, and I think we have agreed early on that we do not have any personal relationship.
Yes,
That
that's
is
right.
just-
Pero ito, ang sabi ni Elijah, okay lang yon kung yan ay sinabi in my official functions as a public servant. Alam mo ba yung official functions ko?
Yes, Mr. Chair, and
Alam mo. So therefore, hindi ka naniniwala sa aking official functions kaya tinawag mo kong gago.
no, Mr. Chair, the observation that I uttered to describe your performance of your official action. That is my observation. That is what I felt.
Well, inobserbuhan mo ba yung
Siko,
aking official
kasi na yan.
functions?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Inobserbuhan
Nay, ano ka?
watch your
Since I won,
hearings.
Gano ka?
since I won in 2019,
No, Mr. Chair. I
Ganyan mo na
closely
kami.
monitored your performance as a congressman in the 19th Congress.
and you
Ha?
hated me for that.
No, not really, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair. Just,
Oh, ano yung
sa akin
numbers?
gago, so you hated me. Mr. Chair. Ano
I,
ba ibig sabihin nun? Binanggit
Oh, hi,
mo,
Kuya Don.
gago
Nakikinig.
ako, binanggit mo, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo,
Ha?
binanggit mo, I'm going to be,
Tapos dahil, sino iba mo nga?
okay.
if you
Ano?
prepare, binanggit mo yun eh. Oo,
Ha?
therefore, you hated me.
Di kumpra.
Hindi pwedeng, hindi mo ko,
Ha?
hindi pwedeng sabihin mo sa akin na you love me. Is that the person that you said that you love
Si
me?
Junjun nga,
I
Dominica
love you
Brian.
and because of that, isasampal ko ito sa'yo.
Di ka patrabaho kayo na.
May I respond, Mr. Chair?
Yeah, go ahead. Sige,
Okay.
Mr.
Ano na yung
President.
patrabaho na eh?
At the very, at
Wala
the
yan ka
very
na
most, I
trabaho?
do not like your performance as a member of the 19th Congress. But hate is such a powerful word because we established earlier that we do not have
Dili
any
gani, ano
personal
nga ipatrabaho na?
relationship or any
Kaya nga, Mr.
personal
Chair,
relationship.
binanggit mo yung human rights.
Yes,
Binanggit mo
Mr.
yan kanina,
Chair.
di ba?
Correct, Mr.
Therefore,
Chair.
Mr. Chair, you violated my
Kaya
human
ipapailan
rights.
na.
Why? Because when you said those profanities, those insults, yung gago, yung isasampol ko ito sa pagbubuka mo,
Tapos sila ka na
you violated
diskanso?
my human rights.
Tapos sa diskansunan,
You did.
May I respond, Mr.
Ay,
Chair?
Mr. Chair, ha? Hindi
tindahan
ako
na.
nagagalit sa'yo. Okay? At wala akong pakialam sa'yo.
Nay.
Kahit na anong sabihin mo,
Ha?
okay lang sa akin. Alright? Pero ito
Wala
ang
nga.
ating pinag-uusapan ngayon. Merong kinalaman sa mga legislation na aming gagawin later on. That is why I am asking you right now. Sapagkat napakahalaga nito. Kapag binabanggit
Si
mo, if
Chutoting
you're
nga eh,
saying
nakilipag-
that using properties,
Si Tio
insults,
nga eh.
and malicious accusations online represent fair
Munggos.
and respectful discourse and a healthy
Munggos.
discourse Therefore, you're telling us that
Monggos.
the freedom of expression
Kanya
is
pa daw.
not is absolute. You can say anything you want, and that is freedom
Ha?
of expression. Yun ang sinasabi ko, Mr. Chair.
May I respond, Mr.
Sapagkat,
Chair?
pag
Ah, sa
binanggit
BGN
mo, if you said that freedom of expression is not absolute, therefore,
Si Jotote,
there are
katabi pa.
certain things that you cannot say. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng freedom of expression is not absolute. May limitation yun.
Sino?
Diba? Oh. Go ahead. You can answer now.
Okay, thank you very
Itagaan
much,
ko.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, in the universal
Si Teo, isa baon.
thoughts and ideas, there would always be a limitation. The freedom of speech is not absolute. And the
Baga sa
limitation of freedom of speech is well defined. Under the law, under the jurisprudence, there are things that you
Hawan-hatang na
cannot
bandi.
say. There are
Biliran
things
mo ako
that
isa ang matbayan.
Mr. Chair,
you
what
cannot.
jurisprudence are you talking about?
Ang butang mo
Supreme
dami
Court
ito.
decisions, Your Honor.
Can you tell me what law?
Example of law that limits your
Yes.
freedom of expression. For
Can you
example,
tell me
Mr.
the
Chair,
jurisprudence?
yes, Mr. Chair. For example, Mr. Chair, there is, I cannot specify the specific law, Mr. Chair.
There
but
is a law on libel.
Yeah, law
There
on
is a
libel.
law on slander.
Nasa
Is
kanila.
it okay,
law.
is it okay, Mr. Chair, if I give my example? Okay, thank you very much. One example, and I think this example is very demonstrative, is
Di na kayo
very
madayon,
illustrative
kay-
of
di na
the
mo-
limitation
dahil
of
mo
freedom of
araw mo.
speech. Right now, it
Kapo,
is
kapoy,
election,
magod mo si Inday, kay
midterm
butayan
election,
na nag-ibay.
and it is not allowed
Layo, ay,
that
pasakap
people
sa
are going to
harap.
campaign on the day
Sa
of the
bibito.
election day. That is a clear
Ano,
prohibition
ikan
to
na to sa
express
babaw.
on the part of the
Maubos.
citizen to
Ubos
say
na kayo
whatever
sa
they want to say on
Ah,
that
teka,
election
Mr.
day.
Chair, ano po ang connection nung binabanggit mo? I'm asking you about the jurisprudence. I just told you that there is a law against on libel, on cybercrime. What you said today is libelous. What you said here is libelous. Why?
Mr.
Because
Chair,
there is a malicious intent. When you use
No, sorry.
when you use the word gago, there is a malicious accusation, and that is libelous.
Mr. Chair, if that is your assessment,
And
kind of
listen,
statement, you
not
will
only
have your
libelous, Mr. Chair, dali lang ha,
Ha?
not only libelous, ha, that is also unjust fixation on my part.
May I respond, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead.
Okay, Mr. Chair, if you think that you are violated by my exercise of my freedom,
Anong ko, no?
you would have your right and
No, Mr. Chair,
so that
don't worry.
the maliciousness of
Mr.
that
Chair,
statement
don't
can be
worry. I'm
sorted
not
out
going
with the
to charge you
proper
in court.
authority.
Don't worry. I'm not going to charge you.
Oh,
If I
nakalagay
charge
ba
you in
nakaka- na?
court, ha? Matatalo ka eh.
Bagas.
Pero hindi. Oo. Unjust fixation to.
Di ka patawag
Alam niyo ba yun?
Kuan,
Ha?
Kibon.
Are you a lawyer or not?
I am not a lawyer,
So
Mr. Chair.
therefore, you should know this. The thing is this, pero wag kang mag-alala. Hindi ako magdidemanda sa'yo. Do you know why?
Ha?
You're not important to me.
Yan, Kib. Di
Alright.
ka signal ba?
Ang
Signal
dahilan
lang.
lamang, kaya ating